नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, या यूट्यूब चॅनल आपले सर्वांचे हार्दिक स्वागत. ब्रिज कोर्सचा आज 33वा दिवस आहे. इयत्ता 10वी मॅथमॅटिक्स जो पार्ट 2 चा भाग चालू आहे. सध्या टॉपिक आहे सर्कल, सब टॉपिक वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ ए सर्कल. ओके, डे 33, class 10, subject mathematics, part 2, topic circle, subtopic various parts of a circles, competencies, statements or learning outcomes. Draw a circle and measure its radius with the help of a scale. Let us remember, draw a circle and measure its radius with the help of scale. The circle काढायचा, this is the circle, and measure the radius. O be the center of the circle, and distance between OP is the radius. This is the OP is the radius of the circle, and this 3 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. हे पद्धतीने radius circle कडून आपल्याला काय करायचं, radius मोजायचे आहे. Okay. Then important points: circle and parts of the circles. First, this is the circle. Circle means the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point is a circle. That means the circle means set of points in plane that are equidistant from a fixed point. Fixed point पासून equidistance वर असणार, म्हणजे fixed point हा. This is the fixed point, and these points are equidistant from this point. Okay, O is the point, fixed point, and this points equidistant from this point. म्हणजे O पासून equidistance वर असणाऱ्या सर्व बिंदूंचा संच म्हणजे सर्कल. ओके, सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल, the fixed point in the plane from which all the points on the circle are equidistant is called as center of the circle. म्हणजे यावर असणारा प्रत्येक पॉइंट हा जो असणारा काय असणार आहे, इक्विडिस्टन्स वरती असणार आहे या O पासून, त्याला म्हणायचं सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. देन रेडियस ऑफ ए सर्कल R, the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called as a radius of the circle. But distance between D is the point on the circle and O is the center. The distance between D and O is called as radius. Means OD is the radius of the circle. Okay, the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called as radius of the circle. Okay, also the line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle is also known as radius of a circle. Okay, सर्कल वरचा पॉइंट आणि सेंटर यांना जोडणारा जो सेगमेंट असतो त्याला काय म्हणायचं, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, and it is denoted by small letter r. Chord, the line segment joining any two points on the circle is called as chord. Is called as the chord of the circle. Any two points P and Q on the circle joining this segment P and Q, this segment is called as chord. PQ is the chord. Okay, then diameter D, B and A and B point on the circle. A chord passing through the circle, chord passing through the center of the circle is called as diameter. Okay, the chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. Chord passing through, this chord is passing through the center of the circle is called as diameter. And diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and relation between radius and diameter is half of its radius. Sorry, 2 times of its radius, and radius is the half of its diameter of the circle. Okay, among all the chords of a given circle, diameter is the longest chord. The diameter of a circle is twice the radius in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Segment OD is a radius, PQ is a chord, and segment AB is a diameter. Segment AB also chord when passing through the center of the circle, and diameter is the longest chord. Okay, this is the parts of the circles: radius, chord, diameter, and center. Then important formula is diameter equal to 2 times of radius. Therefore, radius equal to diameter divided by 2, means half of its diameter. Second formula, circumference C equal to 2 pi r, or circumference C equal to pi d. Okay. Third, area of a circle, equal to pi r square. Pi is an irrational number, and the approximate value of pi equal to taken as 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. Pi's value 22 divided by 7 or 3.14 gauge. Okay. Circles in a plane. Congruent circles. Circles with equal radii are called as a congruent circle. ज्याची रेडियस सेम असते, इक्वल असते, त्याला congruent circles म्हणतात. Concentric circles. Circles with common center are called as a concentric circles. Common center but different radius. Okay. So, concentric circles, the same radii, congruent circles. याची रेडियस कसे सेम आहे, congruent circles आहेत. Okay. Concentric circles, the same center, different radii. This is the radius of the second circle is greater than the first, and third is greater than second. Okay. This concentric circle. Circle touching in a point, different centers and different radii, only one point is common. Then these circles are touching circles are intersecting one point. On circle intersecting 2 points, different center, different radii, 2 common points. If the 2 points common between 2 circles, then these circles are intersecting circles. Okay. दोन जर पॉइंट कॉमन असतील तर ते जे सर्कल असतात ते कशात इंटरसेक्टिंग सर्कल्स असतात. ओके. Exercise question first. Choose the correct option for the following questions. Okay. First question, which of the following formula is used to find area of a circle? Okay. Option A, 2 pi r. Option B, pi r square. Option C, pi d. Option D, 1 by 2 pi r square. Area of circle equal to formula pi r square. Okay. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Question number 2. What is the length of a longest chord of a circle with a radius 2.7 centimeter? Longest chord कोणती त्याची काढायची आपल्याला? Option first, 2.7 centimeter. B, 5 centimeter. C, 7.2 centimeter. D, 5.4 centimeter. Longest chord means diameter, and diameter is the 2 times of its radius, means 2 into 2.7. Therefore 54 point द्यायचं 5.4. म्हणजे option is D, 5.4 centimeter. Length of longest chord of a circle is 5.4 centimeter. Then C, option. In circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter, length of OA equal to 3.7 centimeter, then the points A will be lie dash dash. Okay. First, on the circle. B, inside the circle. C, outside the circle, outside of the circle. D, on the center. Okay. या ठिकाणी पहा, इथं रेडियस किती आहे? 3.5 आहे. ओके. तर या सेंटर पासून जर 3.7 वरती असेल तर तो कुठं असेल? आउटसाइडला असेल. रेडियस एवढाच डिस्टन्स असवर पॉइंट असेल तर सर्कलवर असेल. लेस दॅन रेडियस, तो जर पॉइंट लेंथ रेडियस पेक्षा लहान असेल तर इन सर्कल इनसाइड मध्ये असेल. ग्रेटर दॅन रेडियस असेल तर आउटसाइडला असेल, आणि इक्वल टू आर असेल, रेडियस एवढंच असेल तर तो सर्कल. म्हणजे ऑप्शन नंबर सी आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्कल, कारण इथं ओ हा पॉईंट 3.7 वरती आहे, रेडियस 3.5 आहे. ओके. Then question number 2, solve the following sub questions. First, a radius of a circle is 8 centimeter in length, then find the length of its longest chord. Okay. Solution, a radius of a circle equal to r equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Diameter is a longest chord of a circle, therefore diameter equal to 2r, therefore diameter equal to 2 into 8, then 16 centimeter, therefore length of longest chord of a circle equal to 16 centimeter. आता longest chord म्हणजे diameter असणार, diameter काढले की तुम्हाला काय मिळेल, longest chord ची length मिळेल. ओके. Question number 2, radius of a circular garden is 70 meter, find its area. Okay. Solution, then radius of a circular garden equal to 70 meter and pi equal to 22 divided by 7. Area of a circular garden equal to pi r square. Put the values of pi and r. 22 divided by 7 into 70 square. 22 divided by 7 into 70 into 7. 7 as 10. 70. Therefore 22 into 70 plus into 10. Therefore multiplication of this is 15,400 meter square. Area of the circular garden is 15,400 meter square. Okay. Then example number 3, a circular wire with radius 14 centimeter in cut at the and made straight, then what will be its length. जर आपण सर्क्युलर वायर कट केली तर काय काढायला लागेल, त्याचा सर्कमफरन्स काढावा लागेल. सर्कमफरन्स म्हणजे लेंथ ऑफ द border of the circle. Solution, radius of a circular wire r equal to 14 centimeter. Length of the wire equal to circumference of a circular wire. Okay. Therefore 2 pi r. Put the values of pi and r. Per 22 divided by 7 into 14. Then 22 into 22 into 2. Either divide कर 7 as 2 14. Therefore multiplication of these two, 22 44 into 2 88 centimeter. Therefore length of a circular wire equal to 88 centimeter. Okay. या ठिकाणी आपला हा ब्रिज कोर्सचा आजचा जो 33वा दिवस आहे तो संपलेला आहे. हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे 10वीच्या दृष्टीने सुद्धा. 10वीला कंप्लीट एक चॅप्टर आहे सर्कल वरती, ही त्याचं बेसिक आहे. तर व्यवस्थित अभ्यास वहीमध्ये नोंद करा. ओके. धन्यवाद.